Hi beauties, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this gorgeous design. Stay tuned. Starting off by removing my thumb, which is something I always do. Reason being, I like to remove it to be able to touch and feel the nail for any heat created. Now these are her natural nails. They look a little damaged, but they're not. We're going to be using number 4 pink Elegance for this and our sterilized implements. We're pushing back her cuticles gently in here, and we want to be gentle with this process as well, just because we don't want to hurt our client. Her nails look damaged, but she did have previously polished and she did yank off her other nails, so I'm going to be very gentle with this. And using our drill, we're using our fine grit file and removing any dead tissue on the natural nail like you see here, using it at number 3. And I'm very quick to etch the nail and gentle when it comes down to every single thing on her natural nail. Removing all the dust to, eliminate anything debris around the nail. Now we're removing the cuticle carefully with our cuticle nipper. And we're using our long C-curve, extra C-curve square tips for this design. Our 8100 grit file. We're filing the sidewalls because she did have a little bit of a narrow nail, and we're using our glue to glue this. The less tip there is on the nail, we want to make sure we etch it too, just so it could adhere a little bit faster and better. I like these tips because they're extra C-curve, which allows less tip, less plastic on the natural nail, as you can see here. And look how gently and quickly we apply them, making sure we add them on straight. She wanted these tips because they are longer than the other coffin ones, and also because she wanted a square. So we did cut a little bit of them. Like I said, she likes them long. So we're gonna go ahead and use our number 4 pink Elegance for this design, which is a cute pink, almost like a white pink color. We didn't end up using this acrylic color, which is the Glamorous Nude by Valentino, and we're using our snowflakes with our new winter collection glitter, which is a frostbite. We're dehydrating the natural nail and priming it twice with our protein bond, and we are just making sure our prep is crucial. Applying our protective layer for this. We definitely always do this when it comes down to any encapsulation and any adherence of colored acrylic. So we're going to go ahead and add this using our number 16 Kolinsky brush, carefully applying it all on the nail. This is the pinky nail. Now we're going to go ahead and add it on the ring finger. And we're going to do a little fade here. We're going to just do a glitter fade, so this is going to act as our nude. She didn't want a nude, so we're using this color instead. And we're going to do the same with our middle finger, creating that smile line and nail bed with our pink Elegance color. And as you can see, I'm trying to control the acrylic, which is pretty good. As long as you don't overdo it with monomer, you will be fine. And we do have an online nail course that will teach you how to control your monomer and prep and everything in detail. If you want to check that out, it's our online nail course. We have everything in the description below. And using our frostbite gorgeous iridescent glitter, we're applying this on the tip. We're doing it on the ring finger. We just faded it downward. And this does have little snowflakes, as you can see there. So just go ahead and apply it nicely. And I'm applying a little bit on here, which is just a little bit of a fade. And if you guys are not following us on Instagram and TikTok, definitely follow us there for daily content and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've been a little bit behind because of our busyness and packing Black Friday sales, orders, everything during the holidays. It gets a little bit more hectic, but I'm pushing these videos out, guys. So the goal is Monday and Thursday new videos, so stay tuned for that. And like I said, if you want to see anything in specific, comment down below and we will definitely do that for you. Now we're encapsulating the entire nail for this and also the glitter, so always make sure you're doing thin layers when you're encapsulating. Hi, I'm Myra Vargas, creator and owner of Artistry Nails. Are you interested in becoming a nail technician but don't know where to start? Well, this is your opportunity to learn from me and my 15 years of experience in the nail industry. My Beginner's Acrylic Nails course is a perfect start for you. In this program, I will be sharing the basics of acrylic nails, schooling, and everything in between on how to become a successful nail tech. I'm excited to offer you all my knowledge in this program that's perfectly designed to help you get started with your nail career. Make sure to purchase your program today. This program is available in both English and Spanish. Again, thank you. I'm Myra Vargas. I'm excited to be a part of your growth as a nail technician. And that's the design she wanted, her inspirational picture. After we filed and buffed, which you guys should see in my other videos, I didn't want to add it in here because you guys have already seen that. Now we're adding matte top coat on all the nails. I just love the way matte looks when it comes down to glitter. It just makes it pop a little bit more, and nail art as well. Using our number 13, we're using a lot of raw glitter on here and our striping brush. We're adding a little candy cane raw glitter. We're using the white. Before curing, apply with a cuticle pusher your glitter of choice. Then you cure it in our LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're using our other end of the brush and creating this gorgeous snowflake. This is such an easy little hack for snowflakes. And look at that, super cute, super easy, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the same thing, the dust, which is glitter. And this is, I believe, from Chiara Sky Prima Ballerina. And then we're curing. Now remove the excess glitter with that. Using our manicure brush, we're cleaning this up and then adding glitter on the tip as well. This is pretty much going to be a raw glitter nail design. And if you pre-ordered your nail brush, guys, we are expecting delivery around the beginnings of January, guys. So please be patient with me. Like I said, because of your patience, we are going to be sending you guys extra goodies alongside your nail brush. We're wiping this marble nail palette. Like you see, it's super easy. Now we're cleansing the excess glitter. And look how pretty that tip, clear tip, makes it look. Super gorgeous. Now we're cleaning it off with acetone just so it can be a little bit more of a clean look. And adding some cute decorations on top. Some gems, some Hello Kitty, some pearls. And we're using that big, thick gel for the Hello Kitty so it can stay stuck on there. And curing, like flash curing before we cure in the LED lamp. And then we're painting this because it was a little bit painted. It just didn't paint it well, so we had to redo that. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.